0.024.
What you are getting?
4.024.
4.024. Is
Wait,
it a
let me do it
minus?
again.
Is it a minus thing that you have placed? Minus 0.1164 and then 6 cube.
So I think I missed a number. Wait, let me double check.
Okay. Do it again.
1.364 uh 6 square minus 1.094 to the okay, times 6 and then minus 3.956. So 3.16 is the answer.
Yes. 3.160 is the answer. Is this clear? And that
Yeah.
is actually the value of 6 of g of 6, which is actually the value of g of f of x, right? Which is actually the value of g of 4. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's start with the second question. The second question
Okay.
says that first of all, look at the value, what they are saying, find the value of h of 1. H of 1, right? Yeah. Look at look
Yeah.
at first look at this. First look at what you have to find out. What you have to find out. You have to find out h of 1, right? That means the x is 1, right? Is this clear?
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
this goes there, it becomes h of 1, where we got this guy here, 1, right? And this guy will
Yeah.
go further to g of f of 1, right? So now
Yeah.
what we are observing, that f of actually it has to be like uh, f of 1, right? So that means
Yeah.
I need to put 1. So where will I get this guy? I will have to put this 1. This is 1, this is 2,
Okay.
this is 3, right? This is minus
Yeah.
1, this is minus 2. Okay. So now
Yeah.
we have to find out the number. So at 1 x equal to 1, we are getting 3, right? Are we getting 3? So
Yeah.
the number that we are getting is 3. So
One
what
and
I
three.
am
Yeah.
getting here, that f of 1 is actually g of um g of f of 1, which is actually g of 3, right? Because by having the 1, we are getting g of 3, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
g of 3. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And g of 3 means it is actually the h of 1, right? Which is actually g f of 1, which is equals to h of 1,
Okay.
right? So
Yeah.
if you look at uh if you look at g, we have what we have in the for the function g. We have g of x, yeah, 2 times x minus 2 and x minus 3 in the question.
Yeah.
So what I can do, I need to put 3 here. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 3 times square, and that's going to be like this. So here we go with 1 times 2, 2, and 0, we will get 0, right? We'll get 0 or not?
Yes.
Because 3 times 0, any number becomes 0 in the product, the whole entire number becomes 0, right?
Yeah.
So what we are getting here, what we are getting, that g of 3 is actually 0, right?
Zero. Yeah.
Yeah. So this means that uh, g of 3 is 0, right? Okay, which means
Okay.
that the h of 1 equals to g of 3, which is
Yeah.
0. So h of 1 is also b 0.
Okay.
Now, look at the third question. Is it again the same way? Now, could you please explain me what do we have to do first?
So we plug in the value of h, which is -3.
Minus 3. So we got the value of x in the first step. That
Yeah.
we have to take a
Yes.
start from putting x equal to minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we're gonna place x equal to minus 3 here.
Now we need to find uh for f of x.
So this minus 3 goes there and this minus 3 goes there, right? So
Yeah.
f of minus 3, we have to find out f of minus 3, right? So f of minus 3 is
Yes.
here.
F
Yes.
of, yeah, it's
Oh,
there.
sorry, I'm so
Left,
sorry. Wait.
left side.
Yeah, left side, sorry. Minus 3. So at minus 3, we have to be here, right? Okay, that's
Yeah,
going
which
to
is
be
at
3.
3.
So by from the graph, f of minus 3 is going to be 3, right?
Yes, sir.
That is actually 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, because g is there, right? Because g is there,
Yes, sir.
therefore I have put this g here. Because outside the g, inside the bracket, we got the 3. And g of 3, what g of 3 is, now we have to work for here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, are you getting this? Are these questions easy or not?
Yeah, now there.
Okay, now use the calculator and find out the value.
Sir, 1.608.
1 point.
608.
Okay, 1.608. That's great. Okay, so that means we are getting g of 3 value 1.068, which is actually equals to g of f of minus 3, and which is also equals to what? H of minus 3, right?
Yeah.
Clear now? Now,
Yes, sir.
how to find out this number? Find the value, all values of x for which f of x equal to 3, or indicate that there are no such values.
Um, sir, do we look at the graph and look at where 3 is?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so if we look at 3 and we point it downwards, it's in between -2 and -3.
No, are you saying that f we have to put x equal to 3?
Yeah.
Oh my God. See, is this x equal to minus 3 and is this x equal to 3 or is this x equal to x only?
X is equal to X.
Okay. What
Yeah.
value what value of x will give you 3? Look at the graph. Okay. Is this clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Now,
Yeah.
okay. So 3, where are we getting 3? The answer is 3, f of x. F of x is also equal to what? Y axis, right?
Yeah.
y-axis values. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
where the three lies? At
Three
what point
lies.
three lies? At this
So
point,
in the y-axis, yeah. And if we
right?
go, it goes to negative
Yeah.
1.
So are we getting the different values?
Yeah. Negative 1 and 5.
Yeah. So
And
what
negative
values
5.
of x we are having three? Look at the from the graph. From the graph, what values of x we are getting three? From the graph, x equals to this -4, x equal to -1, and x equal to +5. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Standing
Yeah.
at x equal to 5, standing at x equal to -1, standing at x equal to -4, we are getting the same value, which is 3 on the y-axis, on the vertical axis, right? I hope
So
you
is it it's -4, right?
yeah, it's -4 because
Yeah, okay.
it's on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
these are the possible values. Now let's move to the next question. Find the zeros of f of x, or the values of x for which f of x equal to 0. Now, values of x. See, find the zeros means that what are the values of x, we get the zero answer. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Finding the zeros means what values of x, what value of the input, okay, what values of the input will give you a zero answer. That is called the zeros of the function, okay,
Okay.
right? So for which f of x equal to 0, or indicate that there are no such values. So what number f of x, again, let's recall this. F of x is actually the values of the f of x, oh sorry, y-axis, y-axis values, yes. So now look at the graph. We are on here, right? At 0. So what numbers are there on the graph that are giving the zero answer? So
-4, 2,
-4,
and 3.
2, and 3. Wow, good. So x equal to -4, x
X is
equal
equal
to
to 2
2,
and x is
and,
equal to 3.
x equal to 3. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next question. Find all values of x for which f of x equal to 7, or indicate that there are no such values. So for all values of x for which f of x equal to 7, not x equal to 7, it is saying f of x. Again, let's recall that f of x is what? Y-axis values. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Y-axis value. So what is y-axis value which is given to us in this
It's
question? It is
7.
7, right? Now look
Yeah.
at the f of x values in the table. Here we go with 7, 7 in two times in the table, right?
Yeah.
So what is the value of x? Oh my God, it's a piece of cake. X equal to -3, and x equal to what?
X equal to 3.
3. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, we're gonna have the next question, which is related to the inverse function. That is the inverse function. What do we call it?
Inverse functions. So you'll send this all right?
Uh, I will send this solved one as well, okay?
Okay.
Right? So find the value of f inverse 2.25, or indicate that it is not defined. Okay. So f inverse 2.25. That means um uh I write in this way: f inverse 2.25 is unknown to us, or I can write it in this way. I can write in this way: what should be the input to get 2.25 output? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
See, inverse 2.25, we have to find out inverse of 2.25, right? So that's the same thing, that has the same meaning, that what should be the input to the function to get 2.25, okay?
Okay.
Right? So what number should be taken? What number two should be taken? So first of all, look at the output where that we have to work for. We have
Sir,
to work for 2.25, right?
it's 7.
Sorry. So,
Won't it be
so
7?
yeah, sure. So equals to 7 should be the answer where we are getting 2.25, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that means F inverse, always try to give the answer in the same way that the question is asking,
Okay.
like this, okay? Actually, we made
Okay.
the question in different way. All right. Find all values of x, right, as decimal approximations for which g of x equals to 2.4 or indicate that there are no such values. Okay. Find all values of x as decimal approximation. G of x equals to 2.4. So they're saying g of x equals to 24. The value of g of x, complete value of g of x is given. So can I put the complete value of g of x, which is 2.4?
Yes, sir.
Is it a value of x or is it a value of g
Yeah.
of x?
G of x.
G of x, okay? Don't call it a value of x. Uh, Let me make it more shorter so that you should not consider it like this. Okay. Now 3.142 0.8 to the power x. How will you solve it to get the value of x? Because this is a question asking for the value of x.
Uh, Sir, can we move 3.142 to the other side?
Uh, 3.142 to the denominator, right?
Yeah.
We have to, we have to move the 3.142 to the denominator side. Yeah, this is what we can do. Okay, right?
Yeah.
So, 3.142,
Mhm.
divide this 2.4 divided by 3.142. What will you get? 0.8 to the
Okay.
power x. What will you get?
I'm doing it right now. Okay, so 2.4 divided by 3.142. Sir, 0.763.
0
763.
0.763 and 0.8 to the power x. And then what should be the next step? Are we supposed to
Uh,
apply the log?
yeah.
The base is there, the argument is there, the value is there, right? So
Yeah.
log, can I write in this way? Log, the base should be 0.8. Is this clear? Okay.
Yeah.
And the the value becomes argument. The value becomes argument, and
Which is
this guy, the power
0.763.
becomes the value, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now
Sir, can I plug this in my calculator?
obviously you need to use a calculator.
2.763. Sir, we'll get x is equal to 1.212.
X equal to
1.212.
x equal 1.12.
1.21.
Okay, 1.21. Could you please tell me the third digit?
2. Shall I show you?
Okay, right?
Sir, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see. That's fine. But what was the answer of 2.2 divided by 3.142? Could you please do it for this?
So
2.4 divided.
2.4 divided by 3.142,
What was the answer?
0.763.
0.763. Okay. Now do not press AC. Do not press
Okay.
AC now. What you are going to do, press log base 0.8. Press log base 0.8
0.8. And put my answer?
and then put the A and S.
Okay. Should I press equal?
Yeah, now what is the answer? Could you please show me?
Sir, we are getting this.
Oh, wow. Could you see the variation?
Yeah, it's 1.207 now.
Yes, 1.207. Okay.
Okay, so that's the answer, right?
Yeah.
1.207. Okay.
All right. Now, how will you do this one?
Okay, let f of x is equal to 1.1 plus 3 seconds, x and g of x is equal to negative 5. In the xy plane, what are the x
See
coordinates
the,
of the...
okay, sorry. See, we have to work for the point of intersection. So are the two values that are given for the xy plane, f of x and a g of x? Yeah. The
Yeah,
two, two functions are given to you. So are you going to
yeah,
make it equal so that to get the point of intersection? We did it before in the one of the worksheets.
yeah, sir.
Okay, so what you are going to do for the point of intersection, let me write it here to
Okay.
keep the concept. Uh, for point of intersection,
Point of-
what we are going to do is f of x equals to g of x, right? Where f of x is 1 plus 3 secant x equals to g of x, which is minus 5, right? Now, can we make the x subject, but we have to work it properly. First of all, shift this 1 to the right hand side. We get this 3 secant x equals to minus 5. Uh, Minus 1, that's going to be 3 secant x equals to minus 6, right? And then we
Yes,
got
sir.
this minus 6 by 3. And then what we got finally is minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So secant x equals to minus 2. And now we have to convert into cosine, right? Since we know that the reciprocal of cosine is actually 1 over secant x, or what we know that as reciprocal of sine x is 1 over cosec x, right? So we have to choose
Yeah.
this one, this guy, or you can write secant x equals to 1 over cos 1 over cos, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how can I write this guy secant 1 over cos x equals to minus 2, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we're gonna plug in this way. We will shift this cos x to the right hand side and then flip
Okay.
this not flip uh, move this minus 2 to the left hand side to the denominator place, and then we will write it cos x equals to 1 by minus 2, that is half say negative 0.5, and that's going to be cos x equals to negative 0.5. Now shift this cos to the right hand side, you get cos inverse 0.5, and tell me what answer are you getting.
Okay. So inverse cos 0.5. Sir, 60.
60.
Yeah.
60 in radians, what will be the value? 60 times pi by 180.
So
So
I'm doing it
60
right now.
times 3,
Times
pi by 3, right? Where are we
5.
getting pi by 3 in any place?
In A.
In A, right? Is this clear?
Yes, sir. So A is the answer, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. A should be an answer. Okay.
Okay.
Could you please add uh what if I add 2 pi in it? 2 pi is the period of cos, right?
Yes, sir.
Period of cos. So I'm adding 2 pi in the one angle. So sorry. So it should be 7 pi, right?
7/3 pi is what I'm getting now.
Okay, 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 okay. Alright. Yeah,
There
yeah,
you
I
go.
know, I know. Uh, what number we are getting here?
Sir, in the recent calculations, when I
No,
wrote 2 pi plus,
let me do one thing. Excuse me. Did you put the minus sign in the calculator here?
no.
It was a minus sign. Could you see here?
Oh, okay. Let me do it again.
Okay.
Cos
Therefore,
squares minus.
we were unable to match the answer.
Okay, now I got 120.
120, right? So now
Yes,
120 divided by this 180 guy. So that's going to be
2/3 pi.
yeah, that's going to where's
So it's C.
wait, just let me move it. Yeah, so it's two what answer are you getting?
2/3 pi.
2 over 3 by that means 2 pi. Okay, right. Okay. So how will you get the next one?
Will we do
The next guy has to be 4 pi over 3, right?
4 pi/3? Yeah.
Right? Could you please convert the 4 pi?
Yeah.
4 pi 180
4
by pi.
pi.
Pi cancel this 3 6 times 60. And are we getting 120 again? But it's a positive sign.
Yes, sir.
And now could you please find out the value? Are we getting the same answer? Cos 120. Oh yeah, it was a positive one, right? It was a positive one.
Yeah.
So yes, therefore it should be C, right? It shouldn't be C or not.
Yes, it's VC.
Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
बस चलो अच्छा अच्छा चलो चलो मेरा बेटा सॉरी अब जाए मम्मा के पास जाके सो जाए बेटा ओके गो यस व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
The figure shows the graph of a sinusoidal function g. What are the
sinusoidal
values of
sinusoidal
yeah.
function
So what are the values of the period and amplitude of
Mhm.
g? So we have less than a minute now.
Right. Just give me a second. Okay, so yes, the figure shows the graph of sinusoidal function. What are the values of the period and amplitude of g? So amplitude, yes, period always determined from the horizontal axis.
Yes, sir.
Okay.